Hello my loves, welcome back to Moondrop's YouTube channel. Today's lesson is how to draw hair. So for you guys to understand easily, let's draw head first. For this left head, I'm draw with my style. And later I will draw different version of hairstyle on the right side. So first, you cut head with two parts. And also drawing ears might help you. This one has bangs. For the left part, the line goes to the left, for the right goes right. This is how you draw short hair. For more longer hair, but still short, draw like this. Following this curved line. When you draw hairs, be careful with direction. And now let's draw a long hairstyle. For waves, draw like left curve and right curve. So this is how you draw hair with Moondrop style. Now let's try a normal way drawing hair. Okay, so for this time, let's divide it with 50-50. Draw hair a bit far away from head. This is how you draw short hair in normal version. Then we go to the next part of it. So the hair still has its natural curve. And this is for a long hairstyle. Has long curve than short hair. Draw hair part by part. And add some more details on it. For the right part, draw like before, but don't need to be same. So for that curved hair on the right side, remember this. Curve at the last part and also look carefully. That's it. Remember it's connected here. Subscribe, like, alarm will help me a lot. Bye!